To enable Zopa online banking, you need to follow a series of straightforward steps. First, ensure you have a Zopa account, as online banking is only available to existing customers. If you do not have an account, you will need to apply for one through the Zopa website. Once you have a Zopa account, go to the Zopa website and click on the Login button. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you are using a new device or browser, you may be asked to complete additional security checks to verify your identity. After logging in, navigate to the account settings or dashboard area. This is usually found at the top right corner of the page, and may be represented by your name or a gear icon. Click on this to open the drop-down menu, and select the online banking or account management option. In the account settings area, look for the online banking or mobile banking section. This may be a subsection or a separate tab, depending on the layout of the website. Click on this to view the available options for enabling online banking. To enable online banking, you may need to register for a new username and password, or use your existing login credentials. You will also need to set up security questions and answers, and possibly a memorable word or phrase. This is an additional layer of security to protect your account from unauthorized access. Once you have completed the registration process, you will be able to access your Zopa account online. You can view your account balance, transaction history, and statements, as well as make payments and transfers. You can also use the online banking platform to manage your account settings, such as updating your contact details or changing your password. It is essential to keep your online banking login credentials secure, and not to share them with anyone. You should also ensure that your device and browser are up to date, and that you are using a secure internet connection. This will help to protect your account from fraud and unauthorized access. By following these steps, you can enable Zopa online banking and take advantage of the convenience and flexibility it offers. Remember to always prioritize security and keep your login credentials confidential to ensure the safety of your account.